Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Single Line Code. So today I'll be talking about subtotal, which is one of the important function in Excel. So let's get started. So there are some data with customer ID and the sales. Like example, customer 1 and has done 20 sales. Customer 2 has done 30 sales. You can say sales or you can say volume sold. Volume sold. So customer, let's say customer ID is a shop. A customer example, customer 5 has sold 54 items or 54 volume of an item. So now what we will do is we will use subtotal function to find the number of customers present here and subtotal function to find the total number of volume. So let's start. Equal to subtotal. When you type subtotal and give the first parenthesis, you'll get multiple options like average, count. Based on your requirement, you can select. So I want the number of customers, so I'll select number 2 and then select the range. I'll pull it till the last value of the Excel so that when the next data is refreshed, it can capture the other values too. So my number of customers, unique customers are 116. Let me check this way also. So yeah, so its total count is 16. Now I want to get the total volume also. Let's say subtotal. You have some function as 9 and select your range. I'll go till the last value in the Excel and press enter. Let's see. It's 36134. Let's see here. 36134, right? The bottom of the screen, you can see this, right? Some count 116. So that is my subtotal function. You can also try subtotal average 1 and then select your range. You can play around with this subtotal, guys. It's very easy function and very handful in doing multiple manipulations in Excel. I think this and this is quite equivalent, 9 and 109. Let's see if that is the case. See, 9 and 109 is all equivalent, guys. And there are multiple functions in subtotal like average, count A, max, min. If you want to find the maximum, if you want to find the minimum, if you want to find the standard deviation, again the same function repeats. If instead of using 109, you can also use 9. Instead of using count, what do you call? Here I have used. Here, let me put in. Here I have used 2, right? I can also use what do you call? 102. It will also give me the same result. See, 116, right? So that's all, guys. I hope you guys are liking my Excel videos. Thank you so much for watching.